This is the truck mileage and maintenance form. This is an in-house record we take from the hard copies. The hard copies are kept in a binder in the shop, ready to be inspected if we were to be audited for the BIT program. Each of these is a link to that particular truck's information. We have the vehicle information, description, the license, the VIN number, and the fuel type. For the maintenance schedule, level B service, this is when the next service is due, and this is how many miles are left before that truck needs to be serviced. The current mileage is as of this date right here. If it says ST, that means the information was looked up under Solar Track, which is our least accurate. The first preferred method of finding the current mileage would be to physically look at the odometer in the truck. Second would be to contact whoever's driving the truck currently and have them give you an accurate date and mileage. Truck 125 and 126, which are highlighted in red because these two trucks are not in Solar Track. This is just how I notified myself I wouldn't find it. You can see that the miles left are also color-coded. The ones that are getting closer in blue, the ones that are over are in orange, and ones that are less than 500 miles will be in yellow. We prefer to do all of our repairs and maintenance in-house. However, we have several trucks that do not make it back to the home office in Mount Shasta. See over here we have notes out of service. This is also where we put who has the truck so we can contact them when they are getting close or when they are overdue. The 90-day inspections are similar. This is when the next inspection is due. This is when the last one was. And then here's how many days are left. Again, they are orange when they're overdue, yellow when they're really close, and then at 15 days or more, they are blue. Nothing on this sheet should be changed. All this information, notice right here, comes from the truck's individual page. We go to that truck's individual page by clicking on this, and you can see there's the link. Here's the general information. Here's the next service. Here are all the services that have happened since the truck was purchased. This is an A-level service, checking fluids, tire pressure and condition, brake check, batteries. To make it a B-level service, we make sure we do an oil change. Here is a C-level service, and then here are extras. Additional items which become part of routine maintenance. So down here is where the 90-day inspections are recorded. This is a relatively new truck. You'll notice there are no defects. We go ahead and take a look at another truck. It's older with more miles. You can see here we had a new transmission and a new motor. And it was out of service for this time period a couple of times. And then you'll notice these O's in here, and that means there was something going on with that item. You'll also notice on the vehicle individual page, we've brightened down what the air filter numbers are from Wix. And going to the overview page, you'll notice up here in the left-hand corner is the overview for parts. And this lists each truck as well as the number for the parts. This gives you an idea of what the truck mileage maintenance in-house form looks like. It needs to be kept up to date and current so we know when a truck is due for an oil change or when it's due for a 90-day inspection.